It is July 17th, 2015. I'm at the Waukesha Police Department. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Ninth open records request from Captain Oremus. The Waukesha Police Department has been doing nothing but lying and conniving and playing every fucking little game he can to refuse my open records request.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Oremus,
yeah.
I received your last denial
on
my open records request.
Okay.
I noticed that you backdated the days that I was here requesting it from a week ago Friday, which was July 10th, to backdating it to July 7th, which is one day before my court date of July 8th.
Okay. Might have been an error on my part. Go on.
Yeah, well, whatever. And I'm here again to file an open records request for my charges.
The same thing that I'm going to deny again because it's open? That one?
I went to court on the 8th for it.
Okay, so is it done?
I'm telling you, I went to court on the 8th for it.
Okay, last time I checked it showed that it was open, which was just within the last week.
Well, I don't know what to tell you, but I was here on the 10th, and I was on court on the 8th.
Okay, I'll go check the status of it right now. If it shows closed, you can have it.
And I'm asking again for it.
Okay, we'll submit a request on your behalf, and you'll get it when it's completed.
Okay. I also have a case that I asked for that is dated on February 10th, 2014 that you didn't respond to at all, and I wonder if there's a particular reason why.
I don't know what you're referring to. Can you be more clear? I respond to all of them, so either me or one of my lieutenants does.
Well, I was here last Friday, okay?
I was not.
Fine. And here is the paperwork on the two other cases that I requested. This is the case number here, and this is the case number here. Now, I don't know if you received those requests, but that is actually a closed
When was
case.
this from? Last week?
Yeah, this was from last week as well.
Okay, it might not be that. It might be that it just hasn't hit my desk yet. It usually takes in a couple of weeks to get processed all these. We process a number of requests every year, so.
Yeah.
So I guess what are you asking? You're just asking for me to verify that I have these so that we can go through the process?
Why not? Why not?
I'll make a copy of these and get you these back right now. I'll take a look at them, and as far as your other requests, you're looking for 14-6028, the one from February last year.
February 2014.
If it's open, it'll be denied. If it's closed, you'll get it. See, that's simple.
I'll wait for you.
Sounds good. Here are your copies back.
Okay.
I'll note the request, and we'll fill them when we get to them. So.
Did you get my discovery questions?
I did, but they go through the city attorney's office. We
been
don't have a discovery, so.
Yeah, and they're jerking me around down there too. I've already been to the city attorney, and I turned them in there too, and they referred me to you.
Okay.
I'm just telling you that it's just a typical circle jerk that people get tired of dealing with.
Well, your request kind of takes you all over the place. It doesn't really deal with some issues that are specific to us, videos that aren't our records, that sort of thing.
This is a common process. Discovery questions is something that happens on every case. So how can you sit here and say there's so much confusion about it?
I'm not going to get into it with you because that's something you can go through court for. It doesn't apply to me. It's discovery. Open records is the part we handle. We work with the city attorney's office to handle that part of it. So.
And I was there last week, Friday, and they pawned it off on you. And I said, been there, done that. Yeah, well, it sounds good to you, but I still don't have my records.
Okay. Well,
so I'm sitting here telling you that when I've been down to the city attorney or the district attorney's office, they pawn it off on you. And I go through the same conversation with them. It's a standard just let me finish.
Go ahead.
It's a standard procedure that every case goes through asking for discovery questions. Why do you guys have to insist on jerking everybody around when they're asking for discovery questions? It's not just you, it's the city attorney as well as the district attorney that sits there and jerks everybody around.
Well, what's interesting is you say he jerks everybody around. You're the only one I know of who has had any issue whatsoever about the discovery process. So, maybe one or two others that I deal with in an entire year process. So. Everyone might not be, so I don't know, maybe it's something that you're doing. I'm not really sure. I can tell you that we work with the city attorney's office on a regular basis. We have a really good working relationship with them.
I'm sure you do.
And we provide them all the records they require for the discovery process to make sure everybody has their legal requirements set in place. So, anything else you have, sir?
No, that's pretty much it.
All right, take care.
I'll be here within a week again.
All right.